Manipur Inner Lok Sabha MP Dr. Bimol Akoijam has accused the Indian state of being a mute spectator to the year-long tragedy that unfolded in May last year. The MP was addressing the parliament in the late-night Lok Sabha session yesterday as a part of his motion of thanks to President's address. Delivering a fairy maiden speech in the Lok Sabha, the newly elected MP from Manipur expressed his anguish and pain over the silence of Prime Minister when over 60,000 people have been rendered homeless and when over 200 people have been killed due to the violent crisis in the state. He said the silence is not normal, while terming the neglect of Manipur tragedy as continuity of colonial attitude. Dr. Akoijam Bimol further substantiated his statement by quoting renowned Indian psychologist Ashish Nandi, who has said that colonialism is a state of mind, it is a psychological phenomenon. It is an outlook, the way you look at the people, the way you look at the world. Dr. Bimol Akoijam was briefly interrupted by BJP MP Nishikant Dubey, who expressed disagreement over the statement of Bimol Akoijam. MP Nishikant Dubey initiated that the BJP government has done so much for people of Manipur. He gave examples of Maricom, who was nominated as Rajya Sabha MP by BJP government, and also about the decision of the government to establish sports university in Manipur. While questioning the idea of nationalism propounded by BJP, Dr. Bimol Akoijam concluded his speech by saying that he would keep quiet the moment the Prime Minister opened his mouth and admits that Manipur is a part of India and he cares for the people of that state.
It is sad to see a nationalist party like the BJP will feel comfortable with their silence on the tragedy of Manipur. Keep your hands on your heart and think about the 60,000 people who are linguisting in relief camps. And those mothers, those widows, think of them. And then you talk about nationalism.
Point is made. He made
Only
his point.
then we will understand what this tragedy means. Mr. Chairman, the hurt, the anger has thrown a nobody like me to be part of this temple of democracy. Pitting the BJP cabinet minister, think about the pain. If you hear an anxiety, anguish and pain in my voice, please go back and see those 60,000 people linguisting in the relief camp. Don't talk about partition remembrance till you bring that. I would keep quiet the moment the Prime Minister opened his mouth and a nationalist party says that Manipur is part of India and we care for the people of that state. Only then I will accept what is nationalism in our face. Thank you, Mr. Chairman.